Hi everyone, I am Felicia Fox. Welcome to my channel. Today is day 7 on the carnivore diet. So I'm going to do 90 days carnivore and then 90 days vegan, and to see how my body reacts to each lifestyle, and I'm going to document my journey. So day 7, carnivore diet. Today I spent the afternoon in the summer sun, and it was pretty hot, but it was yoga in the park.
Maybe this is a good time to tell you, you don't have to do anything that I say in this practice. But maybe you want to stay and breathe through the challenge. Four or 5 breaths. Coming out whenever you want, though. I'll talk through a couple options.
So I went to yoga in the park with my friend, and it was awesome. I didn't finish the whole thing because I felt like I couldn't breathe and my stomach was upset. So I only did the first part, and then I just laid down for the rest and sunbathed. Yeah, I didn't have the energy, and my stomach felt gross. My stomach has been feeling weird the last couple of days. So I had constipation, and then I had a bit of diarrhea last night, and then I had a normal bowel movement this morning. But my stomach still feels bloated and really gross, and I don't have an appetite. I did eat a small thing. I made kind of like egg muffins. So I buttered a silicone muffin cup thing, and then I cracked an egg into each one and broke the yolk. And then I added a tablespoon of cream. And then I made different flavors. Like one flavor was ground beef and Havarti. The second row was just goat cheese. The third row was leftover trout and goat cheese. And the last row was bacon, pre-cooked bacon and cut up, and then shredded old white cheddar. And then I baked that on 400 for, I think it was about 30 to 40 minutes until they got nice and crispy brown. Let that cool for a bit, and they just popped right out of the silicone pan. And that was a really nice snack, and it was different flavors and things. So I ate 2 of them. And I think I even overate because I just wasn't hungry. So I should have only had 1. I'm still getting used to adjusting for the amounts that I eat because I feel really bloated after that. And I had some bacon, and then I just put the rest in the fridge for leftovers, but they're a good snack and easy to make. Yeah, so my appetite is completely decimated. I don't want to eat. I remember just wanting to eat all the time, snacks all the time, like 2 weeks ago before I went on this diet. So I don't know if that's normal. I have heard other people say that a mistake they made when they first started carnivore was that they didn't eat enough. But I don't know how I can eat more because I can't. So I'll just listen to my body and see what it tells me, and go from there. Some of the things that I'm doing to care for myself during this transition is Epsom salts baths. That helps with my body pain. And apparently, I'm just learning this now, that the minerals in the Epsom salts bath bind to oxalates. So I think that's actually helping me detox. And then I do things like vitamin D drops. So I just, put some drops on my palm, and then just like that. And apparently vitamin D makes calcium in your body more available. So then that also probably helps the detox situation. My foot is better. It's still a little bit sore and I'm a little bit limpy, but I'm sure in a couple more days, it'll be the same as the other foot, which is just normal sore. My body pain, like last night I had really heavy feeling in my abdomen and lower back. My lower back hurt. Maybe that was because of my digestive situation, like the constipation, diarrhea situation still working itself out. But I know my body is adjusting, and I'm just gonna clean up the house and rest a little bit tonight and just keep on acclimatizing to this way of life. I don't know if I can eat, but maybe I'll have something dairy-ish to continue with the calcium in my diet, like milk or cheese or something. I don't know, but maybe I'm supposed to be eating more fat. I don't know. So I'm gonna keep researching and experimenting with how I should be eating to feel better. The yoga the sunshine, not necessarily the yoga today, but the sunshine was really good. It did a lot for my mood. It got me out of my bedroom in the dark, you know, so that was good. So tomorrow I'm gonna see how much I have lost or gained, or, you know, in pounds. So we'll look forward to that, maybe. Okay, talk to you later.